In this video, we're going to use the distributive property to combine like terms. So, let's think about the word distribute. Distribute means to pass out or share. So in the distributive property, we have a value that we're going to pass out or share with other parts of the expression. So the distributive property with algebra, and this also falls under the combining like terms topic as well. So we have two examples, and I'm going to walk you through the examples, and then we'll do some more together. So the value we're going to share in this expression, 3 parentheses, 2 plus 6 parentheses, the value we're going to share is 3. So we're going to take that 3 and multiply it by the first number inside the parentheses. So 3 times 2 is 6. Then we're going to take that same number 3 and distribute, share it with the other number inside the parentheses. So 3 times 6 is 18. Then we simply rewrite the operation that's inside the parentheses. And that is the distributive property. We're just taking an expression and sharing the number outside of the parentheses with each value inside it. The way we're sharing is multiplying it, is the main operation we're using. Let's do another example. And remember, children, these are pretty easy, but as we continue to work with the distributive property, we might be dealing with fractions and decimals. So it's important to review your notes on how to multiply fractions and decimals. The next one is that we actually have a variable outside of the parentheses. So we're going to do b times 5, and that will give us 5b. Some of you might think, oh, it's B5, but we're not talking about vitamins. Get it like B12? So the coefficient always has to be listed first, and that's the number that comes before the variable. Then you take the same variable that we're distributing, that we're sharing, and multiply it by the other number. So b times 7 would be 7b. And whatever operation is inside the parentheses, you simply rewrite it after you've distributed that value. Now, when you take the EOG or the assessment on the distributive property and combining like terms, a lot of the times you'll get this value and you have to figure out how to find this. So a good way to do that is that this would be a multiple choice question, and you could apply the distributive property to each of your answer choices, and then find which one would give you this answer. Okay. So let's do some more examples together.